Hey, outdoor lovers! If you're a fan of camping, hiking, or just love outdoor cooking, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 10 outdoor kitchen gear cookware kits that'll transform your outdoor cooking game. Whether you're a solo backpacker or you're out with a group, these kits have got you covered. Ready? Let's get started. First up is the portable compact carry case, a mini kitchen that fits in your backpack. This kit includes everything from spatulas to tongs and knives, all crafted from 100% stainless steel. That means it's built to last and withstand rugged outdoor conditions. Perfect for when you're out hiking, tailgating, or even a relaxing beach barbecue. Plus, the neat organizer bag keeps everything in place. No more rummaging through your bag for the spatula. Standout features: stainless steel construction for durability, compact and portable. Ideal for BBQs, picnics, and tailgating. Next, we've got the 6-piece camping mess kit. This kit is compact yet packed with essentials. You get a plate, bowl, cup, and the super cool switch spork. It's a fork, spoon, and knife combo that connects to form an extra long utensil. Genius! Plus, the non-skid rubberized bottom keeps your food stable on uneven ground. The collapsible cup nests perfectly inside the set, making packing up a breeze. Standout features: airtight plate bowl combo, foldable, easy-to-pack design, non-skid silicone ring for stability. For the minimalist backpackers, this one's for you. Introducing the lightweight backpacking cooking set. With non-stick, food-grade aluminum cookware, you're covered for any adventure. This set includes pots, a frying pan, a kettle, and even bowls and plates, all lightweight and super durable. It's also designed to be hung over an open fire, so if you're the rough-it-out type, you'll love this. Standout features: heat-resistant handles, lightweight and compact, perfect for 3 to 4 people. Now for the crossover kitchen kit. This one is the king of outdoor kitchens. With tools like pivoting spatulas and spoons that rotate for easy storage, cooking in the wild just got a lot easier. You even get a mini spice shaker to bring flavor to your camp meals. And when it's time to clean up, the included scrub pad and soap bottle make it hassle-free. It's gourmet camping at its finest. Standout features: pivot tools for compact storage, waterproof spice shaker, scraper and scrub pad for easy cleanup. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution, the Camping Cookware Mess Kit is your go-to. With a 10-piece set featuring a non-stick pot, pan, spork, bowls, and even a wooden spatula for flipping those pancakes, it's everything you need. It all collapses into a small bundle that's easy to store, making it the ultimate space-saving solution. Standout features: 10-piece bundle, perfect for 1 to 2 people, compact and easy to store. Non-stick aluminum for quick cleanup. Looking for something that packs a bit more? The non-stick lightweight pots and pan set is a 15-piece set designed for 1 to 2 people. It includes stainless steel plates, cups, and cutlery, so no need to pack extra utensils. The foldable handles are heat-resistant and compact, while the set's lightweight design makes it ideal for hiking trips. Standout features: 15-piece cookware set, foldable handles for compact storage, stainless steel cutlery included. For the grill masters out there, the portable camping kitchen utensil set is a dream come true. This barbecue-ready kit includes a chef's knife, barbecue skewers, extendable forks, tongs, and more. And the best part? The entire set comes in a portable storage bag, making it easy to carry and even easier to whip out at your next cookout. Standout features: ultimate barbecue toolkit, stainless steel utensils, portable storage bag. Next, we have the Camping Accessories Essentials Kit. This is a 17-piece gear set designed to make your camping experience as enjoyable as possible. It includes everything from a mini stove with ignition, a frying pan, pot, bowls, utensils, and even a fire starter. Everything you need to cook in the wild, all neatly stored in a mesh bag. Standout features: 17-piece complete set, mini stove with ignition, fire starter included. The camping pot and pans cooking set is perfect for solo campers or hikers who need to pack light. With an anodized aluminum pot and pan set, a foldable spork, and even a mini stove with ignition, it's all the essentials in a lightweight, compact kit. Perfect for those weekend backpacking trips. Standout features: compact and portable, foldable utensils and stove. lightweight anodized aluminum construction. Finally, we have the Stanley Adventure Camp Cook Set. This set has a whopping 21 nested components, from a frying pan to plates, sporks, and even a dish drying rack. Made from high-quality stainless steel, it's incredibly durable and easy to clean. If you're cooking for a group, this set has you covered. Standout features: 21-piece set, space-saving nesting design, durable stainless steel construction. And there you have it, the top 10 outdoor kitchen gear cookware kits that are perfect for your next adventure. Whether you're a seasoned camper or a weekend explorer, these kits will help you cook like a pro in the wild. Which one caught your eye? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more outdoor gear reviews. Until next time, happy camping!